Welcome back to the channel. I am just sitting you up now because I need to go. I'm actually playing tennis this morning. I forgot to film anything up to this moment. I thought I'd have more time, but then I just checked the clock and I'm supposed to be leaving low-key 5 minutes ago. So running late to tennis, but plan is I got invited to go play some tennis with some chicks I met last week. Dylan can't come because he's at work. So I'm gonna go play. Got Kaylen, my boy Kaylen turning up. And I'm gonna go obliterate the gang in some tennis. Definitely not my sport, I cannot lie. But in terms of trading today, I'm skipping Asian session because Asian session on Monday sucks. There's never any volume. I think I've probably caught one good trade out of like, I traded Asian session for time, but right now skipping that shit. I'll come back and I will be back on the charts tonight for London session. I've skipped like a lot of trading lately. I took about 2 weeks off. Well, not 2 weeks off, but 2 weeks off taking it really seriously. Just wasn't enjoying it, wasn't actually enjoying life anymore. I don't know, I sort of had to take a step back and really think about what I want to do outside of the charts. And that's a message to all of you as well, is make sure you're enjoying your time off the charts as well, because that was my mistake and it ended up draining me out completely, as I had nothing going for me outside the charts because I wasn't spending any time outside of the charts. I literally spent all my time in the charts just working and grinding, which is fine for a stint, and I've been doing that for about 3-4 months now. But now sort of just trying to reassess what I want to do with myself outside of the trading times, because there's nothing more for me to learn. All it is now is just implementing my strategy every day until some shit shakes. But check this. Dylan, I'm trying your freaking whatever this is. Cry about it. Oh. Alright, but ripping. He's definitely gonna get so pissed that I hit it like 4 times. But anyways, right now I'm gonna go play tennis. And yeah, main message to start the morning is enjoy your time off the charts. Skip that training session, go play tennis. Enjoy life, because I don't know, I was putting in way too much work, and I think I had to realize that it's just not fun. And if trading isn't fun, you're not enjoying trading anymore. Like, I was genuinely hating it. I was hating sitting down at the charts, doing market analysis, everything. Hating it. It's just not fun, you know, when you want to do it for the rest of your life. It's just stupid. So, right now, skipping Asian session. Fuck it. CJ missed his bus. So, currently, I have time to actually come in here and do a market analysis for you guys. So, let's jump in. How do I get this small again? It's the worst thing about doing all of this on just a regular, cook that. The worst thing about doing this on a laptop is just the fact that I know like TJR and stuff, when they do it on their MacBook or their big PC thing, they can actually completely adjust the size and shit. What's good? How are your eyes? Oh, so fucking gnarly, eh? It's no good. Okay, so coming into today, the only sort of news we've even got to consider is this USD bank holiday. Obviously, that is not going to impact you lads in the Asian session. Dropping into some actual chart work. All I want to see, these were sort of my market analysis that I want to see coming into the week. So obviously targeting that weekly high on GU. We actually just broke structure on the weekly time frame. That one's looking really good. And so is GJ. I sort of want to see shorts. Geez, a little bit of an essay for you lads. But that was just sort of what I was doing over the weekend, was analyzing where I think we are going to come to. And it actually looks like we've opened up completely disgusting. So a very valid call to just not trade this session, if I'm being honest. We do have good draws to the upside. I'll give you my weekly bias actually, because that'll probably help you a bit more. Can I go back far enough? Yeah, here we go. Okay. So coming into the week, I am looking at this and we've swept these weekly lows. So last week we've actually reacted off of these weekly lows. And coming into today, we've just broken structure, or not broken structure, but we've inversed all of these bearish fair value gaps, which clearly indicates that we are going to want to move higher because we've completely disrespected bearish order flow on the daily sort of time frame. So coming into the week, I'm looking for our next sort of bullish draw on the weekly time frame, and that's just going to be these highs here. I mean, if you just look at this, we've got good generated buy side liquidity. Oh, get off there. Like that, it's looking really nice. And then if you drop down onto a daily time frame, we've had our confirmation. Now all I really need to see is some sort of retracement and then a reaction. And that was if I was trading this like regularly. Obviously this is just my bias. So for the week today, I'd probably be ideally looking for shorts because these are our nearest draws on sort of anything. Is either going to be this high up here. We did have an SMT up there between EJ and GJ, just there as well. Same sort of thing happened on EJ as well. We actually ended up breaking structure on the daily time frame, I believe. No, we didn't. Once again, just inverse those two value gaps, disrespecting bearish order flow, and therefore confirming that we are going to move higher. So it's going to be an interesting week. I think that price action could definitely be really solid. Coming over onto GU, I was sort of just looking for the same things and obviously wanting to keep all those three pairs in confluence with each other. It's actually looking really good, and I think we're going to get some good price action for the week ahead. GJ today, I hate to break it to you boys, but I do not think you're going to get any sort of trades. We've got good sell side liquidity and we've also got good buy side liquidity. Obviously I'm going to have a short bias just with my weekly bias in play. Yeah, so I say these would be your lows you can target. You've probably got this imbalance here to think about. Potentially we could see a move up, rejection off of this, but once again, it's only going to be a sort of 20 pip movement. It's kind of iffy, and we've already come down really close to this hourly low on the 5 minute time frame. It actually looks like we've just inversed that fair value gap. So it is potential we come up, sort of take out maybe these three buy side liquidity marks here, and then that's probably what I'd be looking for today is a long up into here, and then a rejection off of this 1 hour fair value gap, coming down, taking out one low, two low, and 3, 4. That would be sort of what I'm looking at today, but just gonna have to leave it because we are sitting in a terrible position, to be fair. Nice to see no open gap from the week, but nonetheless, it's just not looking ideal. So I'm gonna go play tennis. Hope that helps you out. Good luck in the charts. Love all you. Peace. And also, shout out to my guy. Where is he? Hang on. 1 second, I gotta find this. This guy has been keeping me accountable for not posting, which you need these people every once in a while. Work on your psychology more. Key Capital, dickhead. Bryson Harwick, make sure to give us updates about when you will be posting again. You better be seeing this video, Bryson, and you better be commenting as well and giving it a like, because you've been the reason that I was even coming on here to do a market analysis, because I saw your thing just as I was running out the door. But anyways, love, good luck in the charts, and I'll see you later for the London session. Ciao. Now I'm ready. I can't even lie, kind of pissed off. Just lost a trade on GJ, and this is probably the worst part of losses. Is coming on here and telling you guys I made a loss, and then having to make a trade recap, having to deal with a bunch of idiots saying, oh, you didn't see MMXM or whatever, like something completely out of my strategy, like that I have no idea about because it's not my strategy. And then fucking having to deal with those comments, worst part of trading. But took a loss. Entry was valid as anything. We're making huge sales on GU. GJ we got to set up. Automatically I'm going to take the trade because if the pound's dumping, then it means that GJ is likely going to follow. The Japanese yen on EJ was also dumping. Getting barked at like a bitch here. But I'm just on my way to the gym because I'm pissed off. I've set an alert on my phone for if a certain price tag gets hit, and I'll be looking for another trade because I think my daily bias and my weekly analysis is still valid, and I don't want to be missing out on that movement just because GU wanted to come out and take out further highs. So sort of what I'm at right now, just pissed off, looking to get out of the house and looking to get on a bit of a walk, looking to change momentum and shit. So currently I'm just on route to the gym. But anyways, had to come on here, say that. Apart from that, we've had a really good day. Pretty much spent the whole morning playing tennis and just living. Went and had a beach swim and stuff. Waves were nice. Just sucks to come back to reality, hit the charts and lose $500. So that obviously isn't ideal, but love, peace, love. We'll be happy about it. We'll hit the gym. We'll fuck ourselves there instead of fucking ourselves mentally. And then we'll get back on it for either a further London session trade on GJ, or just going to wait till New York session and jump on futures. Actually, no, I can't. USD fucking holiday. What is good, lads? As seen in that last clip, I was pretty pissed off last night. So I ended up hitting the gym and just trying to forget about the losing trade. Didn't overtrade, didn't do anything stupid. Just looked after the psychology and ended the day down 500. It was also a USD bank holiday, so obviously couldn't trade futures last night. And yeah, I don't know, that was pretty much my whole day. I lost that one trade. Oh my God, this is Dylan's version of making a bed. Proper disgusting, so I'm gonna have to redo that. But pretty much yesterday, the overall agenda was I lost that trade, and that was basically it. There was nothing else to do. This is one of my like weird things. I'm really particular about like folding clothes and sheets and stuff. Actually, I'll show you this as well. Check it. My stuff is always so neatly folded, like my side of the crib, my drawers, all nicely set out. And then you look at this demonic sort of area. What the hell? This is how the brother lives. It's disgraceful. But anyways, that was day 6 of this series. I'm just going to keep it going because obviously I took a big break, was really needing to change something psychologically, and now I feel like I'm in a better space to lock back in and actually keep going on this sort of all-in mentality. Obviously can't go as gnarly as I was before because that was so unhealthy, but we're going to get back to it. Peace and love. That is day 6. I'm about to fill day 7. Stay tuned for that. Overall today, lost $500, and yeah, stuck to our trading strategy, took a good trade, just not our day. And the charts had a good day. Love.